Viewers, what does it take to go to space? The Congress party thinks your caste can take you there. Believe it or not, Congress leader Udit Raj is walking the path shown by Rahul Gandhi. Remember what Rahul Gandhi said about merit? He said the concept of merit is flawed in India. The Congress has taken Rahul's vision so seriously that they are now demanding an astronaut quota. That's a new, viewers, an astronaut quota. The notion of injecting caste quotas into space exploration is beyond lunacy, viewers. It's a cosmic level farce that mocks India's ambitions and insults human ingenuity. Congress leader Udit Raj's remarks that a Dalit or OBC should have been sent instead of Subhanshu Shukla is absurd and many things more. Shukla went to space not because of his surname or a lucky draw. He earned his spot through relentless grit. This was not some Sarkari Naukri vacancy with a caste quota column. Viewers, Udit Raj's claim that no exam was involved is so laughably unhinged that it deserves its own orbit in the galaxy of bad takes. I mean, what's next? Demanding a caste quota for who gets to defuse bombs? Or who gets to pilot submarines? Should we reserve spots on the moon for every community just to balance things out, viewers, or to please the likes of Rahul Gandhi and Udit Raj? Why stop at space then? Let's have caste-based slots for chess grandmasters, cricket teams, or Nobel Prize winners, because that's the in thing. Everybody wants a Nobel Peace Prize. The absurdity is endless as space itself. Imagine telling NASA to pick astronauts based on a caste census instead of competence. Well, good luck surviving re-entry with that logic. You are on your own. But viewers, this astronaut quota nonsense ties directly to Rahul Gandhi's dangerous idea that merit is a flawed idea in India. Have you forgotten his bizarre push for caste quotas in beauty pageants? His worldview seems to think talent and hard work are some, elitist scams, and every achievement must be sliced up by caste to be fair. Now, by that logic, should ISRO now hold caste auditions for Gaganyaan? That's coming up. Viewers, the space does not care about caste. Let me say that again. The space does not care about caste. It honors courage and competence. This caste-spinning madness is a black hole sucking in progress, plain and simple. Rakesh Sharma, India's first astronaut, gazed at Earth from space in 1984 and saw a borderless planet. He didn't see caste groups from space. Viewers, Congress's caste obsession is a tired script, frankly, and this astronaut quota demand is its most ridiculous chapter yet. So let's keep the cosmos free of this nonsense and let merit light the way. Otherwise, we won't just be grounded. We will be lost in space, chasing our own tails while the world moves on.
इस बार मुझे लगता है बारी थी किसी बैकवर्ड को, किसी दलित को भेजना चाहिए था। कोई परीक्षा तो देके गए नहीं कि नासा में कोई परीक्षा कंडक्ट किया, उसके बाद में इनका सिलेक्शन हुआ। तो किसी दलित ओबीसी को भी शुक्ला जी की जगह पर भेजा जा सकता है।
What Indian has led it? We have paid the money. Is it our space or is it our spacecraft? Don't sensationalize this. This time any Indian would have gone. Do you think the SC, ST, OBC are not Indian?
So if everything in India is divided on different lines, then how India as a country will survive? So these are big scientific questions from Congress, so only scientific community will be able to answer.
कांग्रेस पार्टी किस मानसिक दिवालियापन का शिकार हो चुकी है? अब स्टेट्स नहीं स्पेस को बांटने लगी है। कांग्रेस पार्टी को इतनी चिंता है दलितों की, ओबीसी एससी की, तो किसी प्रधानमंत्री को क्यों नहीं बनाया एससी एसटी ओबीसी वर्ग में से? ये कांग्रेस की मानसिकता है डिवाइड एंड रूल की।
You heard the reactions. Let's open this up. Tuhin Sinha, national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Ratan Sharda, Ravi Srivastav, Syed Asad Abbas, Nikhil Jain, and Dr. Anand Ranganathan completes the panel. Nikhil, to you first. What do you make of this astronaut quota demand?
See, Pranesh, this is not a demand by the Congress party. You keep on saying that this is the Congress's line. I don't see a CWC resolution. I don't see Jairam Ramesh making that statement, Rahul Gandhi making that statement, or Mallikarjun Kharge making that statement. Those are the individual views of a person who, let's not forget, belongs to a community that has been persecuted and discriminated on our subcontinent for over 1,000 years. So he's speaking from his own personal experiences. I don't agree with the view. I don't think that in something so niche like going to space you could have any caste quota or gender quota. Of course, we'd all love to see a woman, an Indian woman in space after Kalpana Chawla. Of course, we'd love to see Dalits and STs and other marginalized communities in space. But to suggest that there should be a quota, first of all, I don't think that was Udit Raj's his own intention, and certainly not the intention of the Congress party. What the Congress party has been talking about is giving right...
One minute. Parties always have this, option of either slamming the leader if they don't agree with the comment, censuring them, taking action. The Congress has done nothing.
See, this is not a comment, Pranesh, for which you would censor anybody or take action. He did not say anything that was, that would incite violence or that would not suit public morality, that was illegal. He expressed his opinion. I don't agree with it. I'm sure there are a lot of people in the Congress party who don't agree with it.
This is
but
not
you can't
some
have
opinion.
A system in the country where everybody
this is absurdity of the next level. This is not some innocent opinion. And if this is opinion, he is only following what Rahul Gandhi had said. Concept of merit is flawed. If Rahul Gandhi says things like these, what do you expect Congress leaders and loyal Congress leaders to do? तुहिन क्यों नहीं भेजा आप लोगों ने? दलित को भेज देते, ओबीसी समाज से किसी को भेज देते.
On a day when Shubhanshu Shukla has completed a successful 18-day mission to International Space Station and brought glory to 140 crore Indians, the Congress party has tried to undermine his achievement simply because of his surname. This Congress party is a disgrace. And number two, it has tried to weaponize caste, which it has always done. My simple point is, of course there will come a day when somebody from the scheduled caste community will go to space, and we are creating the right conditions for it. If the Congress party is aware, the level of investment that has gone into the Indian Space Policy 2023, the Samvad program by ISRO and the Venture Capital Fund for space startups even in remote areas, and Azadi SAT, which is all engaging students in the space discourse for the future, the Congress of course is ignorant of these. So yes, there will come a day when somebody from the Dalit community will go to space, but that person again will go on merit, not because the Congress party is demanding so. I think the Congress party needs to realize the importance of merit, and it needs to stop weaponizing caste. This is not the way achievers behave. Tomorrow there will come a time when before going for a movie, they will demand people that ascertain that 50% of the crew and cast and crew of the movie belong to a certain community. This is not the way merit needs to be treated in this country.
Syed Asad Abbas, hand going up. Ravi Shankar Ravi, national spokesperson of the RJD, also joining the debate. Ravi Shankar ji, क्या सोचते हैं आप ये जो उदित राज ने कहा है कि किसी दलित या ओबीसी समाज के व्यक्ति को भेज देना चाहिए था?
First of all, I do not think that his intention was malafide and it was against anybody. He also congratulated Sudhanshu Shukla ji and wished him good luck. But I think whatever is said, it depends on how we look at it and how we interpret it.
How should we look at it, sir? बताइए.
Let me complete. He referred to the issues of underrepresentation of people in different walks of life, including the space, I guess. So, and
आपको हंसी आ रही है? You are laughing. This is something.
No.
I'll tell you why this mindset is dangerous.
No. You are diverting.
You go to a hospital and you are being attended, and you will ask the person who's looking after you, attending to you, that what caste are you? Like Akhilesh Yadav says, Mishra ji, आपको तो शर्म आनी चाहिए. First he asks the name, and then he says, Mishra ji, aapko to sharam aani chahiye. Now, what is this mindset? Where are we going?
You are not a judge. You cannot judge my style of communication.
I am not. No. This is not about style of communication. This is about logic and common sense. This is not about communication.
My logic. in Institute of Higher Education, including so many research institute and institute of eminence, there is underrepresentation of people from the marginalized section. They should be well represented. And we have seen, and it is evident, that eligible candidates are declared not found suitable, NFS,
Okay.
in so many prestigious institutes. My last point, what he referred, I think, is that people of the marginalized section should be represented
Okay.
on this planet, and in the space as well. The
Okay.
skies do
Why
belong to the marginalized.
why just space? Let's have a quota system in the cricket team. आप support करते हैं? बताइए.
It is not about quota. It is not about reservation. It is about representation.
मैं
You
बता
can
रहा हूँ
link it.
representation.
You can link
Okay, representation. Should there be ample representation in the cricket team of all communities?
By reserving seats only, that is not only way, and that is not the only way to represent and get the representation.
You can say yes,
you
many
can
like
promote-
Tejasvi Yadav will then, get a place in the team. उनका dream वो जो है वो साकार हो सकता है. आप yes एक बार बोल के तो देखिए. Let's have it. Let's open the screen. Dr. Ranganathan, I'm coming to you, but MC Abbas, Syed Asad Abbas, you wanted to say something. What do you make of this idea, first of all?
I'll tell you what I make of it, Pranesh. Let us understand. Let us understand and observe and be able to interpret the communication which has been lost. I believe there is something called lost in translation here. And I'll tell you what. Let us look at the intent here of Mr. Udit Raj. What did he say? First, he said, I extend my best wishes for the entire team's safe return. He also especially congratulated Mr. Subhanshu Shukla, and he hoped he shares the knowledge he has gained so that it is able to benefit all of humanity. Let us also understand that where does Udit Raj come from? He is a very tall leader of the Dalit community.
So
And this community
no.
has
So
underwent
1 minute. If he is a tall leader of Dalit community, does that mean that he can say something like this and get away?
We'll answer that. Straight question, straight answer. Can Mr. Udit Raj get away from saying something like this? What is the harm for you, my dear Pranesh Roy?
Okay.
If a meritorious
Should
Dalit
there be
becomes an
reservation in
astronaut,
higher judiciary?
meritorious Dalit.
एक बार
wants to
बता तो दीजिए.
go to
Should
the
there be
space.
reservation in higher judiciary? Syed Asad Abbas.
Now you're comparing apples to oranges.
Apples to orange?
Where is space? Where is
How?
judiciary?
Why? You can go from earth to space, and I can't talk about higher judiciary. Mr. Abbas, come on, you're a great speaker. Talking about intent is like abstract art. Everybody will, describe it in their own words. So you are a great speaker, but I will not let you speak, but you judge me by my intent. I am calling you a great speaker. Now, just watch the debate. Dr. Ranganathan.
Good evening, Pranesh, and good evening to my fellow panelists. Let me quote someone. Quote, I dislike any kind of reservation, more particularly in service. I react strongly against anything which leads to inefficiency and second-rate standards. I want my country to be a first-class country in everything. The moment we encourage the second rate, we are lost. If we go in for reservations on a communal and caste basis, we swamp the bright and able people and remain second or third rate. The only real way to help a backward group is to give opportunities of good education. Help should be given on economic consideration and not on caste, unquote. Who said this? Chachaji Jawaharlal Nehru on June 27, 1961. But it is not about exposing the hypocrisy of the Congress. Pranesh, I am afraid out here, if you permit me, I want to expose the hypocrisy that is prevalent not only across this panel tonight, but across the entire country, cutting across party lines. Now my good friend Nikhil Jain says, look, space is a niche area. I don't agree with Mr. Udit Raj when he says that there should be a representation or quota or whatever. First of all, when you say we are not talking of quota, reservation, we are talking of representation, you are being contradictory.
Because if you want a representation, then based on merit, representation would come automatically. If the representation has to come, then it can only come through quota. So please understand, don't try and muddle up stuff. But the hypocrisy of Nikhil Jain to consider space science as niche, but not higher judiciary as niche. So when you talk of a moral obligation for a quota or a reservation, why are you excluding judiciary? Why are the judges who want quota in everything, but not in higher judiciary? Why is, for example, when BJP says and agrees, when everyone says that Rahul Gandhi is absolutely wrong when he says reservation or, merit is a flawed concept, the BJP also believes it. Otherwise, why tell me, why does the BJP and the government have reservation in neurosurgery? Why does it have reservation in biochemistry, in computer science? Are those subjects and are those people who are meritorious in those any less than space scientists? So hypocrisy की बात ना करें. सब शीशे के घरों में रह रहे हैं. एक पत्थर आएगा, सारे घर टूट जाएंगे. The point of the matter is that Udit Raj is saying what he is saying because people like us have started believing in Rahul Gandhi that merit is a flawed concept because he is not meritorious. वो जुपिटर से आए हुए हैं, पता नहीं कोटा से आए, रिजर्वेशन से, वो सोचते हैं हर कोई ऐसा आना चाहिए. लेकिन बीजेपी की भी हिपोक्रेसी एक्सपोज करो. Otherwise, tell me, my good friend who is there on the panel, BJP spokesperson, does he believe that neurosurgery is any less of a domain expertise than space science? So when he is against space science having quota, why is he accepting quota in neurosurgery or biochemistry?
Okay, that's the larger point. We'll get to that. Syed Asad Abbas, 1 minute. Sir, there are people who haven't spoken. Ratan Sharda ji hasn't spoken. Ravi Srivastava. Nikhil, calm down. 1 minute. You are ready with another printout. Your problem with Nikhil Jain is that when people appear on debates, they have a pen and paper. Nikhil comes with a printer. He keeps taking out printouts and, puts pages in front of his face. Nikhil, relax. Ratan Sharda ji, we had a chance to send a Dalit or a person from OBC community. We missed that. The Congress is now, raising that question.
Arguments in a sequence so people understand what's going on. Udit Raj is not any ordinary person. Udit Raj is a highly educated person who is an official spokesperson of Congress. He is no less. Mr. Jain is not a Congress spokesperson. He can say anything. Who is the official spokesperson? Udit Raj. He says something like, Auntie ji bagal mein baithe hain, mere bacche ko bhi le jaate. Right? So here is a person who says, see, this says कि भाई राहुल गांधी के आर्गुमेंट को आगे बढ़ाना तो बढ़ा दो, शायद 2 नंबर और मिल जाएंगे, शायद कहीं ना कहीं राज्यसभा में सीट मिल जाए, कुछ और बन जाऊं मैं. So this is putting some kind of, maskabazi to Rahul Gandhi, who has this merit concept very clear in his head. He believes that there is no merit, no sense. Now coming to Shubhanshu Shukla. Who is Shubhanshu Shukla? He comes from Air Force. He doesn't come from Padosi ka bacha. He's an Air Force person who qualified to reach this stage. He said कोई क्वालिफिकेशन नहीं है. He said अरे वो तो अमेरिका से हमने खरीद लिया था स्पेस वार्ड, किसी को भी बिठा देते. Does it mean that राकेश शर्मा वहां घूमने फिरने गए थे? That राकेश शर्मा was chosen because they are Brahmin? This entire poisonous argument has to be thrown lock, stock and barrel on their face. They cannot defend saying समझ में नहीं आई, कम्युनिकेशन नहीं था. भैया कम्युनिकेशन का हेड है आपका उदित राज. कांग्रेस के पास बड़े बड़े कम्युनिकेशन किंग बैठे हैं. They are saying they don't understand. They are disservicing the army itself, where only merit works. You get in with a lot of hard work. It doesn't matter whether the person is a Dalit or a whatever he is. Right. He reaches the top based on purely on merit. By saying all this, and tell me why did Ambedkar was not allowed to rise? He wanted to become a minister because he was economic specialist. He was not allowed to become a minister. He was defeated twice in the elections. You say कि भैया दलितों को बढ़ने नहीं देते. Out of 80 years of this independent country, 70 years with the same secular Congress people. Why in their Raj these people could not rise to the top? It is under BJP that people are coming on the top.
That's a great point. In fact, Ratan Sharda ji, आपने जो last का point बोला है, what happened when Congress was in power? Look, Ravi Srivastava, listen to what Udit Raj has said. He says, I wonder, when Rakesh Sharma was sent for the first time, there weren't many educated people from SC, ST, OBC communities. How dare he say something like this? वो कौन है सर्टिफाइड करने वाले कि पढ़े लिखे कम थे?
Pranay, first of all, for whom Udit Raj is championing, are they not Indians? They are also Indians. They are also qualified. They also have got the skills. They could have, the process of selecting someone could have been more transparent and proven the whole country that we have selected the right person. We have taken him. Now here the issue is,
okay, sir, Ravi Srivastava ji, how should the process have been? आप बता दीजिए, आप एक बताइए नेशनल टेलीविजन पे प्रोसेस क्या होना चाहिए था?
जो भी स्किल्ड मिलता उसको ले जाते वहां पे, क्या जरूरी था आशुतोष शुक्ला जी को ले जाने के लिए? दूसरी बात, मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि ये जो आपका ये मेरिट टू इज फ्लॉड, यस सर, मेरिट इज एब्सोल्युटली फ्लॉड इन दिस कंट्री. जिस देश के अंदर 10 में से 8 एग्जाम के पेपर लीक होते हो, वहां मेरिट की बात करना बेवकूफी है. इट्स अ फुल थिंग टू कॉल दैट मेरिट, because you don't have transparency neither in your selection process nor your examination process nor in looking at the right people, and you want only upper caste people everywhere. You have got 37 upper caste people at Thakur and Brahmins who are heading senior bureaucrat positions.
बता दीजिए हायर जुडिशरी में होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए?
of this country from the
रवि श्रीवास्तव जी बताइए, हायर जुडिशरी में कोटा लगा देना चाहिए?
Other Indians are not available there.
Other Indians की क्या बात है? इस शुभांशु शुक्ला lesser Indian than Udit Raj? Is he a lesser Indian?
Particular community.
When all of you run out of answers and logic, then you resort to this, absurdity. आप मुझे बताइए, is शुभांशु शुक्ला lesser Indian than Udit Raj? Is he? He is not. And what process are you talking about? Transparency in process? आप बताइए सर, क्या प्रोसेस होना चाहिए? बताइए.
उदित राज,
एक मिनट, क्या प्रोसेस था? अभी जो प्रोसेस है ऑफ 1 minute सर, देयर आर मेनी प्रोसेसेस दैट आर नॉट बीइंग फॉलोड. कांग्रेस के टाइम पे भी क्या प्रोसेस था, कितना ओपेक था, ट्रांसपेरेंट था, ये सबको पता है. पर डॉक्टर रंगनाथन,
नहीं, एज आई सेड, देखिए एक एक करके सबकी हिपोक्रेसी सामने आ रही है. रवि जी ने तो यहां तक कह दिया कि जो हमारे जो स्पेस साइंटिस्ट जो आज गए हैं शुक्ला जी, वो तो क्वालिफाइड ही नहीं है, स्किल ही नहीं है उनमें, यहां तक कह दिया. और ये कह रहे हैं कि मेरिट का कोई कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं है, फ्लॉड कॉन्सेप्ट है. मुझे नहीं लगता इन्होंने आज तक कोई एग्जाम पास किया होगा, वो अलग बात है, पर ये एग्जाम नहीं चाहते, कोई बात नहीं. राहुल गांधी की तरह हर जगह, वो तो मणिशंकर अय्यर ने भी कहा था, राजीव गांधी भी हर जगह से फेल हुए हैं. तो जो पूरी डायनेस्टी की सिचुएशन ऐसी हो, तो ऑब्वियसली मेरिट हैज नो. प्रॉब्लम इज व्हेन वी एक्सपेक्ट समथिंग बेटर फ्रॉम समवन एंड दैट पर्सन डिसअपॉइंट्स. एंड हियर तुहीन इज माय ब्रदर. मैं बता रहा हूं, मेरे भाई से कम नहीं है, लेकिन इनको मैं आज जाने नहीं दूंगा, क्योंकि मैं इनसे पूछना चाहता हूं कि भाई न्यूरो सर्जरी वाला कोई लेस एक्सपर्टीज है क्या? कोई लेस नीश है स्पेस साइंस से? वहां पे आपको कोटा नहीं चाहिए. न्यूरो सर्जरी में, बायोकेमिस्ट्री में क्यों रखा हुआ है आपने कोटा?
तुहीन, देखिए, मेरे दोस्त, मेरे भाई आनंद को ऐसा लगने लगा है कि पूरी दुनिया उनको छोड़कर हिपोक्रेट है, तो उसका समाधान मैं नहीं ढूंढ सकता हूं. जो ब्रॉडर इशू, जो आज का विषय है, उसमें मैं आपको बता दूं, द गवर्नमेंट्स जॉब इज ऑफ एन एनेबलर. इट डज नॉट टेक एडहॉक डिसीजंस, एंड बाय वर्च्यू ऑफ the series of decisions we have taken in the space sector, today the size of the space economy stands at 8.4 billion. In the next 7 or 8 years it will be above $44 billion. So there will be, I'm promising you on this show tonight, that in the next 2 decades you will find many people from the Dalit community as leading astronauts, as leading scientists, but they will make it there on their merit. They will not be there because Rahul Gandhi is demanding so. They will not be there because the Congress party wants to weaponize caste.
Dr. Ranganathan is not convinced.
Oh, that's his discretion.
No, I am not convinced because he has not answered the question. Tuhin was asked a simple question. Why do you have quota in neurosurgery, bhai? Is it any less than space science? वो answer करना नहीं है because he knows he can't answer it. Because he's kept quota in everything else on his whims and fancies, and he's not kept in some. That is where the hypocrisy is. And it is insulting to great doctors, great computer sciences, great engineers, that they are having quota there, but you say that some areas are so niche that we will not have quota there.
Okay,
that is hypocrisy.
Nikhil Jain is back with his paper. Yeah, Nikhil, what is it this time?
Thank you so much. So first of all, I never said that being an astronaut is somewhat more or less of an accomplishment than a neurosurgeon. So I think Dr. Ranganathan got me wrong there. My entire point was that we only have 1 or 2 people going into space in many years, so therefore it is not feasible to have quotas, whereas we do have a number of vacancies for neurosurgeons and other such professions, which is why you can have reservations there, which is why we do have reservations there. Secondly, he started with a quote of Jawaharlal Nehru. Let me also start with a quote. Women should not step out of the house to work. Their foremost duty is to look after the home and raise children. Women's liberation is a Western idea which will destroy our culture. M.S. Golwalkar, the second chief of the RSS, in 1942. So this is the ideology that Dr. Anand Ranganathan propounds. Let him come to terms with that. Thirdly, a point was made about how there are no reservations in the higher judiciary. Let me correct you on that. Higher judiciary, which is district judges and additional district judges, they do have reservations.
Oh,
the
higher
superior
judiciary is
which
district
is
judges.
the High Court
Okay.
and the Supreme Court.
Higher judiciary is district judges. Really? ये गलत प्रिंट आउट आ गया आपका. आप देखिए द नेक्स्ट पेज हैज द राइट आंसर और व्हाट इज द हायर जुडिशरी. रतन शारदा जी. Dr. Ranganathan, I'm coming to you after this.
See, we are just creating more and more poison around the debate. Basic point is, why are we creating a nonsense kind of horrible situation when we are out there to celebrate some achievements? He talked about, this scientist. So ISRO has great achievements. Do you know ISRO has no caste-based reservations for any of the, neither do BRC nor BrahMos Aerospace has a reservation based on caste. Why it is not there? What Anand Ranganathan says is right, but to my point, which is not any official point, reservation should be there at the beginning, then we should enable those people to rise to the level. We send people with reservation to IIT, they end up paying suicide. Why? Because they are never given support by the authorities there. They were never given to come up to the level of people who came with merit, and they suffer. OBC, SC, ST people, when they go to government, when they rise in the promotion due to quota, they are looked down upon by the other caste. They remain on the sidelines. Right. Is this a way to bring in equity? No, it is not. And then secondly, judiciary, where are the women judges? They make a lot of noises. Where are the village judges? They make a lot of noises. So this entire debate is totally screwed up because we don't understand that by creating this kind of caste equation everywhere, we are just spoiling the entire achievement of this country over last so many years. Right. And that is really sad because they never question whether army has a reservation or not. There are various kind of caste-based units in the army, but they are not caste-based. Their names are caste put in by the British. Do they know that?
No. Even about the army, comments have been made. You know that one Jawan is this and the other Jawan is that. You know about it. But, Dr. Ranganathan was making the larger point, which you think is the right thing, that, as quota as an enabler, as a principle of enabler is fine. But neurosurgery is a super speciality. अब वहां पे भी आपने quota लगा दिया है, so then it does not help that cause. But Syed Asad Abbas, Ravi Srivastava is talking about transparency in process. What should be the process and how was this process not transparent?
First and foremost, Mr. Ravi Srivastava, my dear friend, is entitled to his opinion, and so am I. The fact of the matter, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, my dearest friend, my lovable friend, dear sir, my dear friend, you come from a position of privilege. You, sir, will never understand what it takes to be a Dalit. If you were a Dalit, and today if you even spoke one word of all the trials, all the tribulations that they've been to, your language, your body language, your articulation would be entirely different.
1 minute.
It is very
Did Nehru say this? No. The words that Nehru said, did he say it from a position of privilege? Simple
of course
question.
He comes from a position of privilege. There are no two ways about it.
1 minute. He said it from a position of privilege. Nikhil Jain, now, how's that for an argument? Dr. Ranganathan, respond to this.
Pranesh, couple of points. First of all, I take it as very derogatory what Abbas has said about my Dalit community, where he's saying that if I was from a Dalit community, I may not be able to articulate as quote-unquote well as I do, which is absolutely shameful comment coming from my good friend Abbas. Number two, for him to say this, it's a typical leftist, it's not Islamist, it's leftist argument, that, oh, you are talking from a position of privilege, so you won't be able to understand. Do I need an apple to fall on my head to understand gravity? Can I not be sensitive? Can I not be empathetic and sympathetic to a concern? What about humanity? Going by your logic, unless you are suffering something, you will not be able to understand or be sympathetic to a person who's suffering it. Ye logic hatao aage se. Number two, as my good friend Nikhil Jain came up with this argument as whataboutery, because I quoted Nehru and he took real offense to it and he was embarrassed. He brought out a quote supposedly of Mr. Golwalkar. Now, I don't know whether that quote is by him or not, but I condemn anyone saying that the place of women is in the kitchen. I condemn it. I challenge Nikhil to condemn what Nehru said, that backward castes are second or third rate. मैं condemn कर रहा हूं. अगर तुम्हारी हिम्मत है विदाउट कोटा, कंडेम कर लो जवाहरलाल नेहरू को, औकात में आ जाओगे.
निखिल,
Jawaharlal Nehru was the person who started the land reforms to give the OBC communities the land.
Wonderful. Jawaharlal Nehru was great. He got Bharat Ratna for everything that you are saying. Will you condemn what he said about... 1 minute. No. Now take a position. Nikhil, you can't run away. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता ना कि आप दूसरों को ऐसे टेस्ट पेपर दे और खुद सवाल का जवाब नहीं दे.
I am taking a position.
What position are you taking?
Position was not to include reservation in every walk of life.
Oh, and his commentary around it.
Reservation in every walk of life.
Dr. Ranganathan, देखिए.
I do agree with that.
ये ओपन एग्जाम हो गया. ओपन एग्जाम में निखिल जैन फेल हो गए. Tuhin is saying,
Nikhil has proved that merit is a flawed concept.
Yeah, Nikhil had to, because he's under pressure to validate Rahul Gandhi. So Nikhil will say, I did it for my leader.
Pranesh, one simple point. I believe we are coming to the end of the show. I thought today is a day to celebrate Shubhanshu Shukla's achievements, but instead this competitive whataboutery on your show, competitive quoting, has taken that away. Let's, celebrate his great achievement. And like I'm saying, we are creating opportunities in the space sector which will enable people from all communities to be there on merit. That should be the point. I think we must trust the aptitude of the SC/ST community instead of thrusting them in certain positions. That should be the attitude. And I think, let's, like I mentioned, celebrate the achievement of this great achiever without undermining it because of his surname.
Now look at this latest stunt. Merit is so flawed that sometimes it is unbelievable. Nikhil has a placard. रतन शारदा जी देखिए, आप पढ़ पा रहे हैं कि नहीं? उसमें लिखा है, आई एम प्राउड ऑफ उदित राज, पता नहीं क्या लिखा है. आई एम प्राउड ऑफ शुभांशु शुक्ला. इज तुहीन सिन्हा प्राउड ऑफ जोहरान ममदानी? रतन शारदा जी.
Well, I am not. What's the problem? I am not. Because he is a Hindu hater. He's an India hater. He's a Modi hater. I don't love him. So
नहीं सर, आपने ध्यान नहीं दिया. रतन शारदा जी, माफ कीजिएगा, आपने ध्यान नहीं दिया सर. Nikhil, just raise that paper again. Raise that paper again.
Yeah. That is for Tuhin. The question is for Tuhin.
Let's zoom in. Let's go full frame for a moment. 8 minutes. Let's go full frame to this paper that... देखिए. I am proud of Sudhanshu Shukla. Someone who can't even get the name right. Shubhanshu है, वो Sudhanshu नहीं है. How proud you are. यही होता है जब ये गलत मैंने पहले ही बोला था.
I am typing in the middle of a debate. If you cut me some slack.
मैंने डॉक्टर रंगनाथन मैंने बोला था ये प्रिंटर गलत प्रिंट आउट दे रही है.
प्रिंटर चाइनीज है. प्रिंटर एमओयू में खरीदा गया था, चाइनीज प्रिंटर है.
I must respond to this, this slamming RSS about when there is no reason to slam. What Golwar Guruji said in 1942 is negated by his continuous role in promoting women across all the organizations in RSS everywhere. Vishwa Hindu Parishad, Rashtriya Sevika Samiti, he supported Sevika Samiti all through. And RSS is not bound to one particular person, it is bound to ideology. What did Mohan Bhagwat ji say? He said स्त्रियों को जो करना करने दो, उनको पर मेहरबानी मत करो, उनको फेवर मत करो, जो करती हैं करने दो, अपना स्थान अपने आप ढूंढेंगी. That is RSS statement. That is not some individual statement. So let us not get into the time warp. You know, you are always stuck in time warp. हमने लड़ाई लड़ी थी आजादी की, तुम कहाँ थे? All that is, you know, gone.
पहले तो ये अभी ये प्रिंटर से लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं, वो प्रिंटर वाली लड़ाई को ये पहले जीत लें, क्योंकि मैंने पहले वार्निंग दिया था, उसके बाद भी गलत हो गया ये. अब आई डोंट नो इसके कितने मीम्स बनेंगे और कब तक चलेंगे, बट मेरिट is not so flawed. Dr. Ranganathan, let's now shift our attention and talk about China, because you were saying that the printer is made in China. Let's shift our attention.